Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an Apify tutorial for beginners. Now, this video will help you get the step-by-step guide to web scraping and automation. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Apify store, which you will be greeted with as soon as you log into your Apify account. Now, if you don't have an Apify account yet, all you have to do is head to Apify's website right here. Then you should be able to see this landing page where you can head to your console if you're logged in. But if you don't have an account yet, then of course you can sign up for free, and you can also check out their existing tools right off the bat on their website. So here you can see a preview and a brief showcase of what they offer. So once you're logged in with your credentials, then you will see this Apify store page where you have all your actors and developer tools, as well as collections and popular actors from the community, as well as their featured developers. So first up, Apify is a platform that enables developers to build, deploy, and run web scraping and automation workflows, typically through the use of actors. Now here, we can see that the dashboard contains these toolbars or list of options on the left side of the screen where we have the actors. So if we click that, then we will be able to browse actors in store and build your own actors. So basically, the actor section is where you can create and manage your scraping and automation tools. While for storage, this section holds your datasets, key value stores, and request queues where Apify stores the data collected. So here we're going to try to head to actors and then development. I'm going to show you how creating an actor looks like right here. So it says you haven't created any actors yet. You can start creating actors with templates or import them from Git or using CLI. So you can also publish your actors and earn money. So if you want more info on that, there's a link right there where you can monetize your code and then you can start building. So for now, we're going to start with trying to create an actor to see how it looks. Here you can link it from an existing source code, whether it's a Git repository, or push your code from a command line. You can see here you can build your actor from code hosted on GitHub, GitLab, or any other Git provider. Now you can also develop an actor on your local computer and push it to the Apify platform. Try to see how this looks. Here you can see using Homebrew, you can install Apify CLI using npm, and then you can create and run actor using templates or turn your existing code into an actor so you can freely copy the code or the codes right here. You can also run the actor locally or deploy on Apify, so you can log into Apify and deploy your actor right here. For a Git repository, let's check how it looks. So you're just going to select your Git provider and then continue with GitHub or import other Git repository where your site's source code is hosted. You can see we have GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and other Git provider or external repository. Now we're going to head back. We also have the option to choose from this list of templates. So from a code template, we have JavaScript. We have here Crawley plus Cheerio, and then Puppeteer plus Chrome. There's TypeScript and Python as well. So you're free to choose depending on your preference. And then here you can see that for the starters, we typically use start with TypeScript or start with JavaScript. Now with JavaScript, you can scrape single page with provided URL with Axios and extract data from pages HTML with Cheerio. Now for TypeScript, you can scrape single page with provided URL with Axios and extract data from pages HTML with Cheerio. Similarly with JavaScript, it's just that you're using TypeScript instead. Let's try clicking on JavaScript. And as you can see, you have the source code here. You can also scrape single page in JavaScript template. And the included features are Apify SDK, which is the toolkit for building actors. There's input schema, which helps define and easily validate a schema for your actor's input. And dataset stores structured data where each object stored has the same attributes. Your Axios clients, which is a promise-based HTTP client for Node.js and the browser. And for Cheerio, the library for parsing and manipulating HTML and XML. So as you can see, there's a tutorial here of how it works. So actor.getInput gets the input where the page URL is defined. Then Axios.getURL fetches the page. And then for Cheerio.load loads the page data and enables parsing the headings. So this parses the headings from the page, and here you can edit the code to parse whatever you need from the page. So right here, you can freely copy that to your clipboard by clicking on this button right here. And then actor.pushData stores the headings in the dataset. So again, if you're satisfied with this, then you can go ahead and use this template or use locally. So try to click on use this template, and then it will create the actor for you. So you have it here. The my actor, it's currently set to private. You can freely change the name right here. And you have the unique name over here, which you can edit as well. The ID and the description, which is optional. You can add the description here. You can see this is the current version. And this is the code set you have. So you can freely edit that. And once you're done with your changes, then you can click save. For now, we're gonna go ahead and click build. So there we go. This is our first actor on the app or on the software basically. And that's how you create your own actor as soon as you log in or have your account in Apify set up. So next we're gonna try to check our storage. So currently we have no datasets. Datasets enable storage of structured data and export to formats like JSON, JSON-L, CSV, Excel, or HTML. Now, datasets are useful for storing and sharing large tabular crawling results like product lists or real estate offers. So we have the key value stores here and request queues as well. So let's try to check the other features. We have the save tasks here. We have runs, so no actor runs yet. And we have the integrations over here. So if you want to have more integrations, just head to the Apify store and feel free to choose. They have a very extensive list on what they offer for integrations, as well as other actors and developer tools that might be useful for when you create your next actor. So here, they have a huge listing of these apps. So just feel free to choose for what you need to add to your software. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.